Let the build begin. And here we are, guys, in all its splendor. Yo, why is it why does it keep doing that? Alright, anyway, here we go. Okay, watch that. Okay, so as you can see, what's up, guys? We'll be doing a fun build today. Custom build off your Kemove mechanical keyboard. Link will be in description. Link will be in the description. You can get this bad boy on Amazon. I'm sure there's other places you can get it, but I got it on Amazon with the Cherry MX Blues. Pretty sick if you ask me. Doing a fun build today, a Superman themed custom keyboard. Let you guys know what you think in the comments below. Without further ado, let's get it, baby. Let's get into it. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Okay. What's that? That's number 1. Okay. Go down the line. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's just personal preference. Me, I like to start with layout on top just so I could see how it looks. Got my little Superman dude here. Also, good practice is take a picture of your layout before you take everything off. Trust me, guys, you do not want to be trying to figure this out. You take everything off and you forget where the hell you put everything. Not fun. But yeah, it's fun when it all works, that's for sure. So, I'll probably be doing a Batman build after this. Do a Superman, of course you gotta do a Batman. So stay tuned for that in the next episode. But yeah, we just give you guys a little backstory. In the military, just do custom PC builds in my part-time. It's my little fun pastime hobby, if you would say. But yeah, the branch I am in is in the Army. I have done one tour in Afghanistan. Oops, one too many if you ask me. So yeah, I did my time. Thank God I made it back. Unfortunately, not all my brothers came back. But by the grace of God, I was one of the lucky ones that did come back. I was stationed in Helmand. That's South Afghanistan for those non-military viewers out there. I don't know if this matters, but I had it on the layout here. Okay, looking good so far. You guys liking it so far? Oh, we'll see. We'll see how this turns out, guys. I mean, the layout looks pretty cool there, but I do not know. Of course, can't do a build without your trusty coffee. I like mine a little iced. It's just, I don't know. Kinda, I didn't start out liking iced coffee, it just kinda grew on me, so I'll try something new and it turned out liking it. Good old iced coffee. And what is it that's so satisfying about these damn custom keyboards, man? I can't get enough. I could build custom boards all day if my wife would let me. If my wife would let me. Alright, so as you can see, with this board I do not have a alt function, so I will be subbing it with these. Subbing it with these, so what can I say? Live and learn, right? I know that it's alt function, it's not that hard. I mean, come on. We've all been typing before. Everybody here should know how to type if you're watching a custom keyboard build. But yeah, for me it's more of just the look and the color coordination. I'm just going for aesthetics here. Pure aesthetics. Pure aesthetics. Put that on right? Maybe not. Upside down. Shit. Shitskis. Shitskis. Oh, I think I had it on, right? Yeah, that was right. Alright. That is gonna be your... Yo, I don't know, that might not work. We will see here in a bit. It's kind of funky. It's gonna be your... One second. That is gonna be your alt button. And now we are taking out the function key. We're on this damn camera. Okay, so for the function key we have star. Yeah, no, that's gonna... Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Hey, it's better than it being not aesthetically pleasing to the eye, because let's get this straight. That's why we're doing this whole build. I could change it. Let me just get through my original plan. And we'll come back to that. We'll come back to those two. If anything, I have some other blue keys that I can test. test that. Yes. Same goes for this guy right here. About to see which one I choose here. Alright, where you at, buddy? There you are. I know. It's killing some of you guys. This is probably killing some of you guys, but like I said, this is just, we're going for aesthetics here. In order to get that Superman build, had to go with that. And this next part too is a shift, but I only could get my hands on a red caps, so like I said, we all know how to type. It's just for aesthetics. Alright, here we go. Should we just do the outer rim? Yeah, let's see how the outer rim looks. Sometimes in the middle of a build, or in the middle of customizing, you find that some of the colors can look better in a different pattern. So, for the sake of looks, let's see how the black in the middle goes. There's another substitute I had to use simply because we did not have the in blue. I did not have this key in blue. Okay. And for backspace, the infamous backspace. Probably my favorite key. Probably my favorite key. Ha ha ha. Is it because you make a lot of mistakes? Notice how I got quiet. What can I say? I'm only human. Get off my back. He was without imperfection. Cat's the first troll comment. Oh. Hey, what's going on? Oh, there we go. There we go. Ooh, you just gotta. Ooh. This makes me want to fucking type. Yeah. People that have like ADHD like myself, this is like low-key a dream job. Every time you put the key in, you get that warm sensation in your spirit. Yes. It's like when a cat gets pet behind her ears, when a dog gets pet under his neck. Feels so good. It feels relaxing. That Nina. Gonna put on that 9, baby. Gotta get that 9, baby. Damn. Somebody's don't want to come out. Ooh, this is starting to look real good. Ooh. Yeah, you know it's looking good, guys. You know it's looking good, guys. You can't even lie on this one. I don't know, what do you think about the black in the middle? Should I stick with the black in the middle? Decisions. 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 Oh. Go ahead. Go ahead and admire that for a little bit. You know that's nice. You know that's freaking nice, dude. Come on, dude. Damn, you gotta like that, man. Damn, that looks good, boy. Shoot. I don't know about you. I pay good money for this motherfucking keyboard right here. If you want to buy it, make me an offer in the comments below. And if it's good enough, I'll wrap this sucker up and send it right to your home. Kind of like Amazon, but better. Because it's from me. That was my best Jeff Bezos laugh. I don't know. The fuck was that? Anyway. Back to work. Back to work. Back to work. You gotta love it when you are at work. Man, I kind of like the black in the middle. Fuck. Alright, whatever. Whatever. Alright, Mr. R. Get in there. Get in there, Mr. R. Alright, let's speed this up. I feel a poop coming on. I feel a poop coming on. A poop coming on. Poop, 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 poop. 5, 4, 3, 2. A poop coming on. Where my 90s child? Where my 90 child's at? Actually, I was born in the 80s, but that song came out in the 90s. In case y'all didn't know. I feel a hoop coming on. I don't know why, but I'm starting to think of the movie Space Jam. Any Space Jam lovers out there? Comment below. Come on. Let's get crunk up in here. Space Jam. Welcome to the Space Jam. 0, O, 0, and O. You gotta be able to tell the difference between 0 and O. Alright, I'm not grabbing the damn. It's gonna piss me off. Alright. Home button. Home button. Alright, Superman lovers. What do you guys think? It's starting to look good. Starting to come together now. Sookie now. Should I leave that part black? Or should I leave the middle black? What do you guys think? Come on, man. Come on, man. Alright. I'm gonna start speeding it up here. Gratifying. Satisfying. Gratified. Satisfied. Alright, let's go. If I mess up any of these letters, let me know in the comments below. Hey, that rhymes. Let me know in the comments below. Hey. See, that's why sometimes I just like to do them one at a time. Gosh darn it. Did you get in there, X? Hey. Oh no, it's gonna take him that much longer. It's just falling off. Okay. Not bad. Okay. Okay. So I'm talking about. One and done. C. V. Hiya. Ooh, look at that middle row. Ooh. What you guys think? Nah, let's just make it all white. Alpha. So we'll see if you guys know your phonetic alphabets. Sierra. Fucking people not in the military. Some funny ass ways of saying this shit. Delta. Some people be like dog. Apple. Snake dog. This ain't the phonetic animals, dummy. Try saying that shit in the military. Chew your ass up. Golf. It's starting to look good, huh? And leave half and half? Fuck no. See this shit through. Hotel. Not hen. Damn farmers. Juliet. Nothing wrong with farmers, by the way. My great uncle owned a farm. Kilo. You'll never get that right if you're in the military. Lima. Lima chili. Oh, we got two more, huh? Damn. Super satisfying, guys. Super satisfying. Alright, these two are a problem. But I'm going to stop the video there. Just for editing purposes. And yes, but yeah, guys. Stay tuned for a Batman build. Batman themed build. Let me know what you guys think, man. If you guys want to purchase this from me, it's a brand new keyboard. Like I said, Kemove was a keyboard, the original keyboard. Cherry MX Blues, pretty damn sick keyboard if you ask me. It's got 4 RGB. I'll include the original keys. Make me an offer in the comments below. We could work out a deal. I'll ship it straight to your house. Better than Amazon. Alright guys, I'm out. Catch you in the next one. Alright guys, final build. Done. I decided to go with the black Alt FN keys. I didn't think it was too bad, but yep, there it is. Superman custom keyboard. Alright, catch you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. Batman build coming up.